511 Tactical is a USA-based brand of clothing consisting of uniforms and tactical equipment for military, law enforcement, and public safety personnel. They are expanding into the outdoor and fitness markets with newer products. Their product line is enriched with both the men's and women's clothing, along with footwear, bags and packs, accessories, and equipment for professionals. However, our today's concern is all about the 511 Tactical and Survival Pants, which are well renowned all over the world due to their functionality and ruggedness. So we have listed the top 10 511 Tactical and Survival Pants, and in this video, we're going to discuss about them. Take a look. Tackle any kind of situation with the 511 EMS Pant Tech, a high-performance tactical pant that is specially built for outdoors. You can get this pant in polyester, cotton twill, or tactile ripstop material that is breathable yet rugged enough to survive outdoor toughness. It also has a Teflon coating which makes it stain and soil resistant. This pant features total 19 pockets where you can keep all of your tactical gears organized and have quick access whenever you need them. It comes with self-adjusting waist and gusseted construction to ensure comfort and mobility. It also has double-timed belt loops for enhanced accessory anchorage. The 511 EMS Pant Tech helps you stay prepared for any tactical situation, and you can easily get one for yourself from online. Designed with feedback from active operators, the 511 Ripstop TDU pants can deliver superior utility for any tactical environment. Made of polyester and cotton ripstop fabric, these pants are super breathable and rugged enough to handle outdoor rough environment. This pant has a unique Teflon coating which makes it stain and soil resistant. It comes with secure seat pockets and cargo pockets with integrated magazine compartments to keep all of your tactical gear organized and secure. It features a self-adjusting tunnel waistband with knee pad ready that provides you with optimum fit and stays locked in any tactical situation. You will also have complete and customizable storage options for your gear. Made of high-grade materials, these pants are made tough just like you, and you can get it from online. Gear up for unpredictable situations with the 511 Patrol Rain Pant, a rugged and feature-packed pant that is ready for action. The Patrol Rain Pant is designed to go over your TDU pant and provides instant protection in any weather condition. Made from high-performance moisture-repellent fabric, this pant is sure to keep you dry while being breathable and lightweight. This pant features roomy cargo pockets that offer ample storage space for your gear, while its pass-through pockets provide instant access to your TDU pant. It comes with hook and loop design on the leg and an elastic waistband that securely locks in place to keep you dry and ensure no water gets in. If you're looking to buy a feature-packed rain pant for your operation, then the 511 Patrol Rain Pant is the right choice for you, and you can easily find it online. How do you make a good pair of pants better. You make them lighter, tougher, and more comfortable. And that's what exactly the 511 Traverse Pant 2.0 is. Made from a breathable single-wave fabric, this pant is super breathable and durable enough to survive outdoor harsh environment. It features articulated knees and a fully gusseted inseam for movement, double reinforced knees, and a DWR finish for enhanced durability and water resistance. This pant has total 10 pockets where you can keep your tactical gear organized and reach out for instant access. The 511 Traverse Pant 2.0 can make you a master of any tactical environment, and you can easily get it from online. Gear up for some action with the 511 Tactical Pant. Built very rugged to protect you from the beginning to end in any tactical situation. Made of 100% cotton canvas, this pant is super breathable and durable enough to withstand outdoor rough environment. It also has bar taking at major seams and stress points to increase its durability. This pant features 7 pockets, including strap and seat pockets, that allows you to keep all of your gear organized. It comes with action waistband and provides relaxed fit so that you can wear it all day with optimum comfort. It has double reinforced seat and internal knee pad ready that can provide a great protection while dealing with any tactical situation. Looking to buy the perfect tactical pant that will serve you well being in any extreme rugged situation, then you can get it from online. The ABR Pro Pant is an updated tactical pant from 511 that features a modern and straight fit, ideal for serving any tactical purpose. Its lightweight FlexLite fabric ensures maximum performance and movement along with great durability. It's made with 71% polyester and 29% cotton FlexLite ripstop fabric, which is highly durable and allows for extreme mobility in all situations. It has 9 pockets along with a redesigned rear pocket where are more than enough to carry all of your everyday carry essentials. Like all the other tactical pants from 511, it also features Teflon finish for ultimate water, dirt, and stains resistance. Plus, it also comes with D-ring, internal knee pad, and fade-resistant tool strap. The ABR Pro Pant Tech is perfect for any crucial missions and professional work as it is highly durable while providing extreme mobility. Defender Flex Straight Jean Tech is in the market for making the denim meet the challenges of tactical mission. This pant is fabricated with cotton and polyester mechanical stretch denim, which makes sure better stretch and recovery. The Defender Flex Straight Jean Tech has 5 styling pockets plus 2 mag pockets up your tactical game, specially designed for the professionals on the go. It features fitted waistband, button top fly-width locking YKK zipper, and double needle construction. The Defender Flex Straight Jean rolls with you, whether it's a weekend in the backcountry or a night out on the town or getting through the tactical situation in the field of operation. With its sleek look, this denim pant has the look of your favorite jeans paired with tactical features, making it perfect for both everyday casual wear or for maximum performance during duties. The 511 TacLite Pro Pant Tech is designed for activity recreational, operational, or otherwise, built all but invincible. 65% of polyester and 35% of cotton ripstop fabric are used to fabricate this pant, and Teflon finish is there to resist water, dirt, and stains. This pant features 2 large cargo pockets with a phone or magazine compartment on the left side and an external knife pocket on the right front side for effortless access to all of your gear. It comes with durable belt loops that are the perfect fit for large belts, plus it securely holds your extra equipment in place and supports its weight. For optimum mobility and a more comfortable feel, it features a gusseted crotch. Additionally, the 511 Taclite Pro Pant-Tec has action waistband, double reinforced seat and knees, triple stitching, hip-mounted D-ring, YKK zippers, and prim snaps. The 511 Taclite Pro Pant-Tec is specifically designed for tactical missions, but it is also reliable for other activities as well. .511 Tactical Apex cargo pants can exceed your expectations in any role and serve the purpose for tactical, casual, or covert wear. It's built with the combination of precision engineering, functional design, and resilient construction makes it a next-generation cargo pant. It is made from 67% polyester and 33% cotton two-way flex-tech mechanical stretch fabric, which made this tactical pair of pants sturdy and flexible to ensure maximum performance. It's coated with Teflon, which gives this pant a protective finish that resists stain, soil, and moisture without compromising breathability. The 511 Tactical Apex cargo pant is specially designed for professionals on the go, as this pant has 10 pockets inside, along with deep internal twin back-yoke cargo pouch magazine pockets and flex cuff pocket inside the waist to provide ample storage and effortless access to all of your mission-critical gear. The 511 Tactical Apex cargo pants are comfortable, rugged, and durable, can be worn as casual wear and in any tactical mission as well. Strike Pant from 511 is all you would want to use in any tactical mission you are heading to. This pant is exceptionally durable, made with patent-pending two-way flex-tack mechanical stretch fabric and finished with stain and soil-resistant Teflon. This Teflon finish resists water, dirt, and stains for longer wear, and flex-tack mechanical stretch provides lasting durability. You will have 12 pockets in this pant, including double deep cargo pockets for keeping all the essentials, mission-critical gear, and other tools near to your hands. Makes it perfect for reinforcements in any strategic places. Inside you will get the internal knee pad ready for the support, and also there is a self-adjusting tunnel waistband for convenience. A version of the 511 Strike Pant is available for women as well. The 511 Strike Pant always keeps you prepared for the toughest encounters by sporting premium apparel built for action, whether you're on the field for duty or on the road for an extreme adventure. So that was all about the top 10 best 511 tactical and survival pants. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.